To turn on a dynamic island on the Samsung Galaxy A57, you can do this only by using this application from the Play Store. Not only this one, there's actually multiple applications, but I can recommend you this because it's free, there's no ads, and you don't have to pay for this. So you have to open this one, wait for the loading screen, and I'm going to show you how you can set this. So as you can see, first we have to enable all of those notifications, permissions, and other things. So in this case, we are looking for dynamic spot. Enable this switcher, go back, do the same for all of those other things, draw on the screen. We have to repeat. From installed apps, we have to go for the dynamic spot, turn it on, click allow, and now as you can see, it's done. Here we can also unlock some additional features, but here, as you can see, when you tap on it and accept another permissions, this is the preview how it's gonna look when you are gonna when you are gonna receive some notifications. You can also adjust its behavior, its look. You can show as a notch. There's a lot of options that you can change, even its color. So if I'm gonna go for the orange, then it will goes with the orange color. So I can recommend you to adjust these settings like you want, test everything, and this is everything for this video.